How to fix YouTube pausing while seeking or rotating screen. Firstly, open App Store or Google Play Store on your device and search for YouTube application. Look for any updates that may be available for YouTube, and if there are updates available, then make sure to update them. If you are using any web browser to browse YouTube, tap and hold on it and click on the eye icon. Scroll down and click on Storage. At the bottom left corner, click on Clear Cache. Now do the same for the YouTube application. Navigate to your YouTube app and tap and hold on it. Click on the eye icon and select the option Storage. As you can see, I have a cache of 1.40 GB. Click on Clear Cache at the bottom left corner to clear your cache. Now go back to your home page. Swipe up from the bottom to open background apps. If there are many background apps running, then make sure to close all. Also, make sure to check your network connection. Go to your Wi-Fi settings, and if your network is lagging, then make sure to switch to a different network. This way your skip or lagging might go away. That's all for today. Thank you.